Hi, this is John with Columbus, Ohio Car Insurance. I'm here today to talk to you about some ways to help reduce your insurance costs and make sure you have the right coverages you need to help you out. So some of the key takeaways here are: one is obviously get an insurance agent. You're here to ask questions. We know programs, we understand how the insurance works, and you can ask us questions in regards to what you may or may not need for your policy. Maybe you're carrying coverages that you no longer need. Maybe some life-changing event has happened, whether you get married, divorced, you have moved, you have different assets. There's a lot of different things that insurance agents need to know to help you get the best policy and make sure you're paying for the right coverages you need for the best price. Another way of getting those, keeping your rates low, or making sure you ask your agent about all the discounts you may qualify for. The companies offer different discounts. We also offer now for people that don't drive very much. So if you're retired, if you work from home, if you're part-time, we do have a policy to help with that auto to help keep those rates lower if you're not driving a lot. You can look at paying in full. There's another option. If you pay for 6 months for the insurance, you can earn an additional discount. Being a safe driver will earn you another discount. Keeping constant insurance, not having any lapses will help you keep your insurance rates lower. Claims history is going to be a factor in your claims and in your rates. Where you live is a factor in your insurance rates. What type of vehicles you own, how many drivers you have on the policy, your ages. There's so many factors that go into what pricing out auto and car insurance is for you. So there's a lot of different questions you need to ask. And I suggest, like I said, you talk to your insurance agent. Do your annual reviews because changes can be made. Look at those different options out there for you. Sometimes taking a higher deductible might be good for you as well. It just depends on what you can afford and what you have in your rainy day fund. So if you have any questions, please, we would be glad to be able to help you out, answer those, and look at that for you. Thank you. Why do you need an insurance agent, you might ask? Well, there's a lot of reasons why it's good to have an insurance agent versus just going online and purchasing your own insurance policy for car insurance. Hi, this is Jon Pantone, car insurance here in Columbus, Ohio. Just wanted to give you some information in regards to the reason why you have agents are, we deal with these policies and coverages on a day-to-day basis. Sometimes you may not understand exactly what you purchase online, and that can lead to, maybe you thought you purchased something, maybe you didn't, or maybe you don't understand exactly what you were trying to get. And then when in the event you have a claim, whether it be an accident, you were hit by somebody or you hit somebody else, and you find out you may be missing some key important coverages, or you're underinsured for any reason, and your claim could be denied, or maybe you don't have enough coverage to cover all your assets. That's why it's important to have an insurance agent, because you can ask those questions to them. They can give you the best recommendation on what we need to help protect your assets at the best available price, applying all the discounts. At the end of the day, when somebody has a claim, they're never asking, well, what insurance premiums did I pay? They just want to make sure that their claim can be paid and that all their damages can be fixed, or any medical or property damages. So I assure you that the reason why you want to use an insurance agent is to get that advice. Use a local agent, somebody that you can ask questions for. We are here to help and answer those for you. If you have any questions, you can always reach our agency here. We are located in Columbus, Ohio, and the phone number listed will be down below. You can also text, email, or call us at any time, or by social media. Thanks, and have a great day, and be safe out there.